Here's an editing sample using a broken photo or broken glass effect. First, upload any background that you like, or, if you want, just forget about it. Then, upload a photo you want to use into your editing software. Here I used the photo as an overlay. Then, in the upper left corner of the software, click Effects. Next, click Video Effects. In the search bar, type Broken Photo or Broken. You'll see several broken photo effect styles. Let me show you the different styles. Choose the one you like best. For this example, I'll use the screen crack effect. But the bad news for this effect is that you can only use it if you're subscribed to CapCut. While there are other broken effects you can use for free, better effects also come with a price. Place it above your photo or use it as an overlay. You can place it anywhere. It depends on how you want it. After applying the overlay, add a broken glass sound effect to make the scene look and sound more realistic. Search in the upper left corner, Audio, then Sound Effects. You can search crack or crack glass. Then, choose any sound that you want and place it at the start of your video effect. Now that looks good, and if you want to add more to it, add another broken effect, where it would look like the glass was shattered into pieces. Again, go to Effects, then go to Video Effects and search again for Broken. Now look for the broken glass effect, then place it at the end of your first broken effect. You can adjust the time placement, of course. Then again, look for broken glass sound effects. Then, put it at the start of your second glass effect. Timing is important. I'll just make the background darker so that you can see it well. Now there you have it. Hope this helps you with your editing. You can also experiment with the other broken photo effects available and choose the style that best matches your video.